Welcome to the 14th episode of the Python tutorial series. Today we will discover what I consider to be the most useful Python library ever, Numpy. Now, if you're wondering what a library is, it is an additional piece of code which has already been written by someone else and which you can use directly in your own code. But before we can use any library, we have to install it. So let's see how that's done. First, you have to open the Anaconda prompt. You can find it in the folder named Anaconda in your Start menu. Now, if any of you are familiar with command line operations, this interface will look really familiar. But for those of you who have never done this before, don't worry, it's actually really simple to use. To install the Numpy library, we would write conda install Numpy. Then we click enter, and this will automatically download the most recent version of Numpy. As you can see, there are also some additional packages that Anaconda wants to install alongside Numpy. Don't worry, this is completely normal, and we can type the letter Y along with the enter button to confirm that we want to download the packages. It will now download all the necessary files and then install them automatically. That's it. Job done. Numpy has now been successfully installed in your Python environment. Numpy has a very wide range of functionalities, so today I will just show you what I think is the coolest feature of all. To use the Numpy library, we first have to import it into our Python script by writing import numpy. We can then write a equals numpy.array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, an array is a sort of advanced list and shares most of its properties with lists. But it can also do this really cool thing. If I write a times 5, it will automatically multiply all of the numbers in the array by 5. So you can see it now has gone from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Can you see the potential of this? Well, just imagine if you had to do this with a list containing 1 million elements. You'd have to iterate through each element individually, and this would require a lot of code and a lot of computational time. Instead, with a Numpy array, you can write this easily in one line. And since Numpy has been optimized for these kinds of operations, it's really fast too. That's it for today. In the next episode, we're going to dive deeper into the Numpy library and uncover many more cool and exciting features. I look forward to seeing you next week, and in the meantime, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other videos. See you next time!